Yeah.
That doesn't make any sense. That doesn't make any sense.
Fucking bullshit, bro.
Well, you should still be nice and green.
I was able to lock in a little bit on the ask. Cock suckers.
So we hit the 200 moving average on the Nasdaq.
Yeah.
S&P.
A little bit of profit.
S&P hit yesterday's low a day. Let's see. 3 minutes on the opening range.
Dump this shit. Let's go.
Oh my god, we are dumping.
Nice dump. Nice dump.
What the hell was that?
Dump this fucking piss.
Dump this. Oh man, she is dumping. Hit the 200 and dropped all the way back down to the 50 moving average and stopped.
That's some fucking.
We were ripping and then we were dumping. What the fuck is this?
This is a 50-point range on the Nasdaq. Let's go. That's similar to yesterday.
Are you short?
I'm not anything yet.
Oh, I tried to short, but I didn't get filled.
Gave back a lot of my profits yesterday. Messing around.
Just some modest selling pressures being seen here on the US equity futures after the cash open. Similar to the past few sessions, does seem to be Nasdaq led, although not quite as large as some of the recent selling we have seen.
Now we are going to pump.
Pump you up. 1 minute on the range. You got 355 down to 296. So what is that? 60-point range. 60-point range on the Nasdaq. I wanted to come up some more so I can short it at around the 330 level. Of course, if it comes up that, huh?
I'm done shorting this up. Probably gonna fucking rip.
Well, yeah, I mean, of course, if it comes that high, it's probably gonna keep going too at the same time. So I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah.
Opening range is just about in. Nice wick on the top. Nice wick on the bottom. No idea which way it's gonna go.
Probably gonna go to the moon.
Mm-hmm.
That's what's probably gonna fucking go.
Yes.
Oh, you look great thing.
I'll be back in a second.
Of note on the US-China front, just seeing there, Fox Business News' Gasparino says Wall Street will say there will be a cooling of tensions with China in the new Biden administration. The firms expect the Chinese to allow them to all fully own their mainland subsidiaries. The problem will be in buying out the Chinese, who will extort a big price. Do note this does come after earlier this week JPM did go ahead and buy the remainder of its Chinese subsidiary. Yeah, nothing too new in these actual comments. A lot of this was expected, just more reports suggesting such.
Let's go. Moving up. Look at that. Good thing you got out of them puts, G. That thing rigged. It's rigged. Which way are we going to go here, guys? We're going up? Or are we going down?
I think we are going up.
We're in a trap.
I think we're going up.
Not going for what you said.
I think you're both right. I think it's going up and it's just going to be choppy. Like, inside of that range. Choppy inside of that range. Maybe it goes and tries the open close from last night. Maybe it goes and tries the low from overnight as well.
Bad boy close.
Boy. Did they get news?
Yeah.
Amazon's up, Apple's down, Microsoft is sideways, going down. Netflix
So
is
just note, Desk is
going up.
continuing to monitor comments from Mitch McConnell, the state majority leader. He's still talking about this state aid and the disagreements on it. He says Democrats should stop insisting on it. Again, these are known lines. The expectation is that lawmakers will eventually come to a deal. When that happens, of course, remains to be seen. Today is the funding deadline, and the Senate, of course, did not take up the House's bill yesterday. They chose to delay it amid some of these disagreements, particularly around the defence bill as well. So we are monitoring the story, but while there is a lot of noise, there doesn't appear to be much movement. So we're just keeping it off the swap for now.
Today's the deadline. So you know they're going to make a deal at like 4:05 p.m.
You know they're not gonna make no fucking deal.
Yeah, man, this is government funding. This is easy cheesy. They'll make a deal. It'll happen after hours.
If it was easy, everybody would be doing it.
Everybody would be doing it.
That fucking cocksucker got arrested, huh?
Look at this nastiness. Who got arrested?
James Bond or Jeff Bond, whatever his fucking name is.
Oh, really? Jason Bond?
Yeah. Jason Bond, yeah. Got fucking shut down by the SEC, I think.
Ah, for what?
He got for scamming people.
For pumping and dumping?
Yeah.
Oh,
What was his name again? Jeff Bezos? No.
No.
Which one are you talking about?
James Bond?
I'm the greatest options trader in the world.
Yeah, that one.
Oh, I don't know his name. He's the one that's got the little guy that I made $5 million trading healthcare stocks. I turned 5,000 into $4 million. You know what I'm talking about? I'm a sinner, a trading sinner. Is that the guy you're talking about?
No, the market is developing again.
It's nasty, choppy. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Up, down. It's probably going to collapse once it goes through this 300.
If we don't hold this position, we are fucked. And we are getting fucked.
Look at these candles compared to all morning. All morning was nothing.
Jason Bond guy.
Jason Bond.
Yeah, that's the one, right? It was easy, everybody be doing, right?
I think everybody says that. If it was easy, everybody would be doing it.
Man, these people gain money with the stupidity of the other people.
Yeah, that cocksucker right there.
So 3638.2 is a technical level on the S&P. We're there. We're there now.
There. Yeah, there.
Let's see what happens.
This thing is going to dump and dump. Dump with my money.
Microsoft got wrecked. Apple's getting wrecked.
Fucking held on to my damn boats longer.
Everything's kind of pointing down now.
Mm-hmm.
Order filled.
Short?
Yeah.
Bastard.
They only filled one of my 5 contracts though, the bastards. I got 1 contract. I'm supposed to have 5. This should be $100 right now. Oh, Jesus Christ. What a bunch of assholes. Just let me out.
Order cancelled.
Now I'm pissed off. I got 1 contract out of my 5. That's garbage, man. That was an easy $200 trade, man. Suck it. Well, that's frustrating. That's frustrating.
Super frustrating.
That is frustrating. I should have hit the market button, I guess. Journey's over there. You should have hit the market button, bro.
Tell them if it was easy, everybody.
Cut suckers. Yeah, if it was easy, everybody would be doing it. Price action is suggesting a little bouncy here. A little bouncy.
Can state you to
Back to 300. Is the news guy breaking up?
make what?
Or is it just me?
He's sharing in and out with you, I think.
Maybe it's not going to bounce yet. It's going to come down to that low a day. 263.
Yeah, we're there, 36, 35.
S&P is a long ways from today's low a day. If the S&P catches up to the NASDAQ, you guys, there's an opportunity to make some money there.
Because that easy,
Everybody would be doing it. Right, right.
No.
There's the bounce.
He like that sentence. He's going to repeat.
I'm not going to short that. That thing's going to keep climbing. Watch.
You should have shorted, man.
I almost jumped it in there. But
Yeah, me too.
but watch. Look at that. That thing just ripped huge. It's going to keep climbing. I bet you. Look, there it goes. It's going to go all the way to 320. Let's say get in here and smack the shit out of it.
Apple got fucking wrecked.
Apple got wrecked.
Yeah.
What if you swing your puts from the other day? Didn't you have puts yesterday morning?
I did. I swung. I was supposed to swing the yesterday. I swung it today. I made a little fucking bit of profit and fucking ripped my face off.
We're going back to 320.
Let's see.
Why
I
not?
got long and got fun.
Well, bruh,
You don't get long and get fucked up.
you don't get long until this pullback right here. And then you get paid.
Then you get laid. And
You get paid back to 320. I still think 320, man. It's having a hard time at 05. Opening range is 95. So really it's stuck on opening range. S&P's got that 38.
Oh, and Boeing got red.
38.2 level. Boeing? Boeing's going sideways.
Got red.
Is it gonna pop? 320? No, it's too heavy. Look at it. Decent buy volume. Ah, look at that.
Are they biting you back?
Mm-hmm. At this point, I gotta believe it's gonna make a new high today.
Are they biting you
320,
back?
320 ain't shit. Nasdaq's it's gonna VWAP's at 27. And if it goes there, it's going to make a new high today. We're going to 360, 370. Let's see what happens with 320 though. They need more buyers to come in here. There's no buyers.
They need more liars.
They need more liars.
They got red.
Where is everybody? This thing is empty. There's no bidders. There's no sellers.
Roku got spanked like a little bitch.
We're doing low volume today, guys. Low volume today.
Now folks, just looking around at asset prices at the moment, it seems a little bit of risk off kicking in as we approach the end of the week. Looking at crude futures slide, some of those activity currencies, particularly those linked to crude, also seeing some downside as T-note futures tick higher, 2 session highs. Equity complex, ES a bit more stable here. We have seen
Time for this
choppy
guy to
trade
babble.
in NQ after the open.
Babble, babble, babble.
Doesn't appear to be anything specific headlines hitting the screens right now.
Oh, they got wrecked on that
So worth keeping in
315.
mind next week we do have quad witching, and given it's the holiday season, there has been some
Oh,
suggestion
we got
that
quad
desks could
witching?
begin rolling some of their contracts a little bit early.
I've never seen quad witching amount to anything. They talk about it every
My
quarter.
colleague also notes that the roll not progressing as quickly as it usually does, according to some
Wow,
quant models,
they
roll
wrecked
rolling
it
at a
at
slower pace
315.
than usual this month. So we could see some choppy action, not headline driven, over the course of the next week or so.
Come on. Come on. Jump back up there.
Jump back up there.
Jump back up there. Come on. Alright.
Order
fuck it.
filled.
Now they gave me my contracts.
Now they want to give you the money, huh?
Yeah, so it must be going to rip.
This
And,
guy's
yep,
Stop filled.
damn sure did. Ripped and wrecked me.
And I'm down $400
Order
with
filled.
this stupid shit.
this stupid shit.
Damn it, boss. Alright, so I'm back in again, short.
I was short in the boat.
I'm gonna get wrecked.
Just like it goes.
I wanna get wrecked. Is my chart broken? I think my chart broke.
Just casting our attention to the top of the hour, we do get the DEC prelim University of Michigan consumer sentiment print. Expectation is for the headline to pare back a touch to 76.5 from 76.9. Conditions
Yes,
seen coming in at
oh, yeah.
87, which would be
Awesome.
unchanged. Expectations, however, are seen
Wow.
ticking higher, 71 from 70.5. And we'll of course keep an eye on those inflation gauges. The 1 year was at 2.8%, and the prior 5 to
Order
10 year
filled.
was at 2.5%. We'll of course be paying more attention to these consumer metrics as we head into the all-important holiday spending season.
One more try. One more try. I'll be back. It's definitely gonna make a new high today. Why am I short? Why are you short, bro? Get wrecked. But get wrecked though. 160. That makes up for my 2 stop
Canadian
losses.
health authorities.
Ooh, look at this
They
300.
note that domestic cumulative cases of COVID could be between 531,000 and 577,000 by the Christmas period. They also note longer range forecast shows Canada remains on a rapid growth trajectory. Just a bit of analysis. Remember, Canada has been one of those nations that has purchased quite a bit of COVID vaccines. They've got quite a big supply apparently, and analysts are content to look through these sorts of headlines in the knowledge that these vaccines are coming to market soonish.
Too much buying going on. I'm gonna get wrecked. I'm gonna get wrecked.
Who had earnings last night?
Nobody. Nobody important anyways. Earnings next month is going to be interesting. eBay, Amazon, Walmart. Buy them now. Buy them now, or don't buy them now, maybe. In fact, maybe everybody's broke. Maybe we should short everything for next year.
Maybe you should.
Maybe.
Disney, what a nice fucking word. Disney.
Get wrecked. You know it's going to rip before they wreck it. It's Friday. It's going to rip.
Order cancelled.
Well, that's amazing. Look at this. Look at this garbage, man.
Order filled.
Vaccine-related news flow for mRNA and PFE. According to an interview on Fox, Health Secretary Azar says Trump administration the powers needed to enhance Pfizer and Moderna vaccine production. It's got around a minute now to the top of the hour. We'll be on the lookout for this University of Michigan prelim debt data. Reminder, 76.5 expected for the headline, paring back a touch from the prior. Conditions are seen unchanged. Expectations are seen slightly higher.
Oh boy, stop me out and rip. Fucking cocksuckers. Suckers stop me out and rip.
Ten seconds.
Order cancelled.
Well, you can't have a stop loss and trade in this market.
81.4, that's a beat. Conditions comes in at 91.8. That's a significant upside from the forecast 87. Expectations 74.7, and we were expecting 71. So the main indices there surprised to the upside. Still waiting for the inflation gauge to cross.
Wow.
Just while we're waiting for those inflation gauges, recapping on the headline, it tops the forecast range there, 81.4. Conditions 91.8, also tops the forecast range, as does expectation 74.7.
God damn it, bro. What the fuck, dude?
Look at this NASDAQ.
And one-year inflation 2.3%. That pairs back from 2.8% prior. And the 5 to 10-year inflation gauge 2.5% unchanged. Long-short expected sentiment data from the consumer sector in December, heading into that all-important holiday season. Although the near-term inflation view of consumers pairs back,
this is the most irritating.
the longer-term unchanged.
This is what
the
causes
Fed
people
has been
to blow
talking
up,
about
man,
how
'cause
it's
they just keep
easing for pressures to the downside.
throwing money at it.
This Michigan one-year data finally starts moving in that
Oh,
direction. It
man.
had been inching up, remember, recently.
She's still going.
Oh yeah. It's on a fucking tear. Disney to the moon with Mickey Mouse, bro. Fucking pathetic. Fucking
You remember they laid off 30,000 employees over the Thanksgiving holidays, right? I told you guys the stock was going to rip.
Never done so well. This is tremendous. It's like, how do you close your park and fuck people over and make your stock red?
It red. Look at this NASDAQ, man.
Just
Look,
some of these software productivity
I was going
platforms.
to move that
Piecing the
stock down a
information,
little
getting
bit.
attention among traders.
And give it 5
After the
more
Slack
points.
deal, Dropbox, Box, MongoDB could be next acquisition targets.
It's
Information
definitely going to make a
speculates
new high day. I mean,
for
it's going
DVX,
up here to
POX, and
370.
NDB.
I could buy back
Still
in
burning
again and give it
variety
one more chance,
information.
but look, I've eaten up all the profits in this account
Give me one more
in
chance.
2 days.
I had to load up the bill. Should have fucking sold it for $2. My fucking boring. Overpaid.
Run.
And just now, with regards to government funding, Rand Paul, a Republican who was objecting
it's
to some
rigged.
of those factors yesterday, suggests to
Run.
CNN that he will let the stopgap funding pass today, and that could avoid the shutdown. He had exception with that defense bill, remember, which was influencing lawmakers' views on the omnibus as well as the stimulus negotiations as well.
Said I need one to go to 238 today. That will make me a happy camper.
Are you long Boeing again?
Oh my god.
It just got wrecked.
My problem.
Let's just note that Microsoft has been punchy in recent trade. I've not seen any speculation myself, but some traders citing
Yo,
some
lock it in,
chatter
man. Yo, lock
around
it in.
Microsoft. I've not seen details. Be aware of it. It's among some prominent market
You got lock
commentators
it
at the
in.
moment. Not seen the details myself.
And he ripped the $2
Look at this. Every one of my trades that I took right here, all of them were green over $100 before they went red. If I was locking in every single one of them, I'd be up $400 or $500
If that would easy everybody be the locking.
instead of being down $300. If it was easy, everybody would be doing it. I'm not looking for a $100 trade though,
Trader
man.
just
I
alerting
want
us that
to
this
capture that.
MSFT chatter looks
30,
like
40
some
point
speculation in Street Insider.
There's a
Rumor
you
of
hear
Warren
about
Buffett's
that?
stake.
Warren
Not got
Buffett's
details, but be
speculation
aware.
in
Warren
Microsoft.
Buffett related chatter around MSFT.
Apparently, Uncle Buffett is taking a stake of Microsoft.
Is that why it's written? How does he not already have a stake in Microsoft? Isn't he hasn't he been investing for like 100 years? How does he not have a? That's bullshit. I call fucking shenanigans.
Right.
Where'd you get that news from?
From your boyfriend.
I don't have one. Huh?
Then you should get one.
You should get one. It's going down. Look, it hit that 50% mark.
It's like I would believe that he doesn't fucking have a stake on Microsoft.
You know? You know what I am saying?
Right? Heck yeah, Uncle Buffett doesn't have. He has a stake on every fucking big company but Microsoft. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I am saying?
Well, I'm not. Should have locked it in the fucking $2. Oh no, it's ripping again. Fuck sakes. Shenanigans, shenanigans, shenanigans.
Do 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 do. Shenanigans. Do 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 do. Shenanigans. Do 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 do. Shenanigans.
Order filled.
Today is not my day, but
Order cancelled.
It's not my day either, bro. Look at this.
I'm down
Order filled.
$500.
Me too. I will be after this trade.
I short, it goes up. I long, it go down.
Me too, bro. Me too. It's just chopping, man. The problem is we need to be taking, depending on how many contracts you're holding, in my case, I need to be taking 100 bucks every single time. Maybe you should be taking, 300. I don't know. You're running full contracts. Yeah, you should probably be taking 100 to 200 bucks as well.
God damn it, our boy is ripping again. Oh my god.
Look at
Order
this
cancelled.
garbage.
Wow, look at this boy rip.
I shorted,
I'm about to-
it touched my stop and now it's dumping.
I'm about to hit the weekly loss limit, which is funny because it's Friday and the account's only down 80 bucks. Oh, you know what? I think I'm good. I don't know. I think I'm good until 9,500 actually. But there's still a $500 daily limit, right? Is that right? Is it daily or weekly? I think I'm just gonna call it a day. Look at this, man. I tried to get the dip right here. They're like, nah, we're gonna take it down here and dip it. Then we'll rip it, and you can suck our dicks. Well,
Boy is ripping it and stop me up. Fuck, for fuck's sakes.
this is what the chat room sounded like for the last 2 days, man. I think I'm done until next year.
Wow.
Because it's just, this is garbage lately.
Fuck.
Does everybody agree? Is it just me?
No, I agree with you.
Fucking baloney. Look at Disney. Where's Disney gonna go today? 180?
Of course, Journey disagrees. Journey just loves to argue. Haven't you guys figured that out? Tell us why, Journey. Tell us why. Because you're capturing on the tops and the bottoms perfectly, or what? Disney.
Most likely.
Fucking Disney, bro. I can take a fucking break. I got a feeling that Disney's gonna hit 180 today, bro. I don't know why. I just got a
180?
fucking feeling it's gonna go to 180 today. Right. Why? I don't know.
I got all the patience in the world. I just have a stop loss also.
Why didn't I buy the dip on Disney? Gave you a $4 dip in the morning. Perfect. Fucking got in.
Rip.
It ripped back up.
Now I got out break even of my long, and now it rips. The only trade that I would make money.
And born to steal.
Well, it is true. I did say it was gonna do this down here at the low of the day. We could have bought the dip and just sat back and got paid. But it's so choppy.
To trade the rest of the day. I already lost good money.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yes. It's gonna red. It's gonna go up to at least 370. Right here. TTM squeeze, the indicator here for momentum is just telling lies. Momentum's going down. Momentum's going down. Meanwhile,
Telling your fibs.
no, it's not. It's telling fibs.
And Roku through the moon.
It's gonna rip. New high today. NASDAQ is coming. $350. Roku's ripping.
Stupid market. I was long at 25, and now I could have recovered all my losses.
Right.
Fuck this shit.
Right. To trade this market, you can't have any risk tolerance. You got to turn it off.
Of course, with Top Step I can do that.
You got to turn it off. You got to just cancel your stop loss and be willing to blow up, right? You got to be willing to blow up on every single trade to trade this market. Unless you capture the very bottom or the very top and get lucky. If you run any kind of a stop loss, I don't care if it's 20 points or 30 points, you're going to get stopped.
No matter what.
And that's ridiculous.
Right.
You got to just turn the stop loss off and trade on hopes that you don't get a whipsaw and get liquidated.
That's pretty much how it goes.
That's how, I mean, honestly.
Right? This is baloney.
This week. That's what it's been like this week.
Yeah.
And it's going to be like this the rest of the year, most likely.
I'm just going to go on Disney and stay on Disney throughout the fucking day and hope they will go 180. Disney ripping through the fucking moon.
You got to just turn your stop loss off and hold it until it rips.
Oh, yeah.
If it was easy, everybody would do it.
So folks, just for the Treasury traders, it is worth noting there's quite a lumpy operation from the Fed today in the short end. We'll be buying about 12.8 billion in the 0 to 2.25 year sector. So that might be one of the reasons that we're seeing some politics in the complex. Just a word of warning, we do of course get the updated Fed announcement today with regards to its asset purchases. We expect that will be left at around 80 billion unchanged, and that is on account of the Fed meeting being next week, so I don't think they'll make any major tweaks today to that program, or announce any at the very least, of course.
Then why does this sound painful?
Because I should have taken profit right now.
Oh, lock it. You know you gotta lock it in, man.
You know what, I mean? Fuck this shit. I'm done with this bullshit.
You got today's expiration?
It's not gonna work. Yeah. Either gonna work or not gonna work. I'm done with this fucking bullshit.
NASDAQ made a new high today. We hit 60.
I just threw in a bunch of money in Disney and I'm gonna fucking hold on to it. New high day Disney. Fucking ripping. Let's go, Mickey fucking Mouse.
Let's go, Mickey Mouse. Cocksucker. Let's go, Mickey fucking Mouse.
You fucking Mickey fucking cock mucking fucking cocksucker.
Boeing's ripping.
Yeah, of course. All the trades that I take rips, except the ones that I don't take it and I hold on to them. Like, okay, I got this, I know it. Tesla fucks me. I'm like, fuck you, Tesla. Piece of shit.
Yes. Tesla's, you know, a wild horse, man. It's a wild horse.
I'm so far out of the money on Disney. What the fuck am I doing about it?
370. I still think we're going to hit 370, and then you already know where it's going from there. You already know. I don't know how to say it. What do we have here? Shh. I hate these stupid fucking alerts. Don't care.
Let's go, fucking Mickey Mouse, to the fucking moon. You fucking dirty little fucking master man.
Earlier in the week, we're monitoring these sorts of stories. Not sure it has much of a market reaction so far. Texas has filed a new brief at the Supreme Court in the election case. Remember last week, 17 states, I think, supported Texas. We're not micro-reporting on these headlines, but if there is any major flashpoints like this where the Supreme Court could possibly be involved, we'll highlight it. Market participants aren't overly focused on this theme at the moment. If that starts to change, we will, of course, give this story more coverage.
Microsoft is ripping. Netflix is up there. Amazon looks like, ugh. Ugh.
Fucking Mickey Mouse. Dirty little fucking mouse. You dirty little fucking mouse.
Here we go. 370. Let's do it. It's time to rise.
Man, I think I'm going to blow up. I'm going to remove the stop loss. I'm tired.
You say you're gonna remove the stop loss?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, man. Turn it off and let it ride, man. Load up to blow up.
Right, that's what I say.
Trade like a rock star.
Mm. Fucking dirty little fucking mouse. You fucking cocksucker. Child molester.
Come on now.
Yeah, he's a perv. You have kids on his lap. He's a perv.
Who, Disney?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse is a fictional character.
He's a fucking perv.
You talking about the guy that wears the suit in the park?
Oh, it's ripping again.
Of course.
As soon as I take office, right, he rips right back up. Fuck you, Mickey Mouse. Fuck you, dirty little rat.
You got out of it?
Oh.
Dirty little rat.
Yeah, I bought it for
Order
50
canceled.
cents, sold it for 70. And it dipped back down to 50. But we got it back in for 50, sold it again for 70 right now. Fucking stupid little fucking cocksucker. Oh, it's gonna make a new idea. Get in! The Mickey Mouse. You dirty little fucking rat.
Oh, boy. Are you gonna get back in?
Now it's too late. I missed a bit.
No, it hadn't given you a good dip yet. Boeing's giving you a pullback. Boeing.
Dude, I should buy this fucking calls on Mickey Mouse and never leave. Come back 11 o'clock. Look at this shit. The fucking things are 75 cents now. It's red. Fucking stupid little mouse. Cocksucker. Oh wow, business fucking ripping.
Are you gonna get FOMOs?
Yeah.
It sounds like it. It sounds like you're about to get FOMO. Because you got out.
First, just a quick market check. As we mentioned, choppy trade conditions as we enter the last illiquid part of the
No
week.
shit,
We
news
are seeing
guy.
a little bit of a risk on impulse over here following that Michigan data which topped expectations.
Mission
Here's
data.
the ES. I'm looking at the
That
likes of
is
gold,
in,
yeah, I'm looking
isn't
at
it?
gold, and T-note futures have come off high as well. Once again, we've said a few times, we're expecting now, we're in that part of the year where we roll active.
Fuck off.
So we are
Pinche
expecting
cabrón.
a choppy end to the year.
Pinche maricón. Pinche puto.
It's been a choppy, illiquid session. No shit, man. Thanks for the heads up. $300 a month service. Thanks for the heads up, buddy.
I would never do it. I would never pay for it. I wouldn't pay that down to hear this fucking
I
thing.
wouldn't. No, me neither. Maybe that's why we don't. Isn't it? This 50% mark. 338.7.
Collect.
It's also the top of opening range. It's also the 200 moving average right here. She's cracking. Is this the opportunity to buy the whip? Buy the whip? The whip. Buy the whip.
One just got fucking shredded. Holy fuck.
Buy the whip.
Aaron is red, man. Mariner. mRNA.
Marina? It rips. That's a nasty looking pattern. What happens? They just following Pfizer on that
Pfizer's dumping.
on that news of
No, Pfizer's actually dumping.
invincibility. Aren't they invincible now? Protected from legal action.
Ripping to the moon. Meanwhile, Pfizer is dumping. He's shopping. Golfer was right. He's shopping.
Comfort.
He gone. He gone.
Hey, gone.
Yes.
Hey, Comfort. Say chart shape 3 times fast.
Can you repeat?
Here, I'll type it.
Chart shape.
Say it 3 times fast.
Chart shape. Chart shape. Chart shape.
That's not fast. Chart shape, chart shape, chart. I can't, it's hard to do, man. It's hard to do.
You gotta say.
So what is the logical on this? And we are writing.
You said shark shape. Of course it's ripping. By the whip. Didn't we say it?
We're
Right here?
chopping, but we are going up.
Who had earnings last night? Somebody had
This
earnings.
shit ain't going anywhere. It's gonna go up here and hit 70, and it's gonna come back down to 20, and to 300, and back to 380, and then back down to. It's gonna close right here at 338, because it's ridiculous. Nobody had earnings. Earnings season ended a week and a half ago.
Nobody had earnings yesterday.
There isn't any earnings until next year. Nothing that matters anyway.
That was somebody's.
No, look, I'll show you right now. Let's go look. That's the wrong chingadera. Last night.
Yeah, somebody had earnings.
Last night was Thursday. Aftermarket, Costco, AVGO, Lulu,
Yeah, Lulu.
Oracle, Dave and Buster's.
Oh, wow. Did you see Lululemon today?
I'm surprised. I looked at the schedule and I didn't see these guys on the schedule. Lululemon?
Yeah, he got Lululemon lemonade out of it. Fucking, they squeezed the fuck out of that lemon right there.
They made Lulu lemonade.
They made Lulu lemonade.
We got a Fed speaker today at lunchtime.
Fuck them. Fuck those fools. They make
I didn't see those guys on the schedule when I looked.
You never see anything.
You don't
Like
see
it's
anything.
You're like my worst enemy. Oh, these days don't be. I'm glad I didn't get back here now.
Wait.
Hey,
Patience.
should I get back in this now? When you did?
370? Is it time? Is it time?
To get the Mickey Mouse? Is this the Mickey Mouse batting? Or is just gonna shit a biscuit from here? They're gonna say, I had a few Mickey Mouse. Fuck off.
I guess I'm done for the day. I'm not gonna push my luck with the loss limit. I think I'm good for another 400 bucks. Well, I'm done. I got wrecked today. Again. Until next week.